Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's vlog is about a topic that many of you asked for to make a video, or you had doubts about it. You had questions about it. So today's topic is about how to get accommodation in Schweinfurt, and along with that I will give you guys a room tour, a house tour of my apartment. So let's get started. So as you enter the apartment, you have the bathroom, and I will show you it. So that's the bathroom, that's the toilet, that's the sink, that's the mirror which is a bit taller for me, and that's the bathing area. So one thing about Germany is you get two types of apartment. One in which that's it. So, one which is furnished and one which is not furnished. So obviously the unfurnished one is a bit cheaper, and this apartment was unfurnished. So unfurnished means only the toilet area and the kitchen area is furnished. Rest you have to get the stuff on your own. So now I will show you the kitchen area. So as you go out from here, there's a stand full of my winter clothes. I mean more of jackets and hoodies. Other stuff I have kept in the cupboard. So here's my shoe collection and some of my sandals and heels and stuff. When you come towards this side, you see a cabinet which I use to keep my groceries. Here all are the sauces and stuff. So here is the kitchen, and which I feel is a pretty decent one for one person. As I told you, the furnished kitchen comes with a stove, a sink, and my owner had given me the oven too, and a fridge. Let's not see that, it's full of my stuff. And then comes the cabinets, like this one for storing the utensils, the garbage bag and stuff, more space to keep utensils and spices and stuff. So yeah, it's a pretty nice, decent kitchen for one person. It's perfect for me. I can cook and do stuff. So as you enter the bedroom, first you see the carpet, nice one, and then there's a cabinet over here in which I have kept all my clothes, and then on this I have kept some of my skincare and stuff and some of my perfume. Projector, I got this projector from India, and that's the bed. Those are my 4 cute roommates I have and that's some of my pictures. Then there's a mirror. Hi guys. So here's my study table, which is a bit clumsy but still it's nice. Here is my PC setup that I got from India. So I got the whole PC from my last trip to India. If you haven't watched that vlog, go watch it. I will just pin it in the I button. And yes, so that's it. And here is 2 of my Legos, that's a plant, and few of my frames and paintings which I have to hang it. I will do it in some time. Here are few of my paintings that I painted, and yes, that's pretty much my study table. So here is my another cabinet which I use for again keeping my clothes. I have a lot of clothes, guys, and above it I have a small praying area which is pretty nice. So as I told you, this apartment was an unfurnished one, but luckily the previous tenant left all this, like the 2 cabinets, the bed frame, and the study table. So in Germany there's a thing like people who don't want to go and sell their stuff, they just keep the stuff out of their house and anyone can go and get. So this apartment is a pretty decent and perfect for one person. Like, I'm living in this apartment all by myself because I prefer, and you can keep two people, like two people can stay in this apartment, but I personally don't prefer living with anyone. So it's a pretty good apartment for me. I am currently paying 495 euros, and everything is included, but internet wasn't included in this, so I separately got the internet. Otherwise, all the electricity and the gas and everything is included in this apartment, and this rent feel like it's a pretty nice and decent rent, because for a solo apartment like this, rent goes like more than 700 euros. So this one is a pretty good deal that I got this apartment in. So now let's talk about the main point, which is how I got this apartment and how you guys can get one for yourself. So first, let's talk about only for Schweinfurt, which is for students of THWS. There are Studentenwohnungs, which are called Studentenwerk, where you just apply and wait and wait and wait and wait, because the waiting time is a lot. Like, I had applied from last year, but still I haven't heard from them. But so if you're lucky enough, you just get the mail from them, and you get the apartment. The student wohnung are way cheaper than the private ones, but the waiting time is so long that unfortunately you have to get the private one. So then comes the private one, like this, the one I have, which is from a website, and you get the accommodation from websites like EmoNet, EmoScout, EmoWelt, and WG. These four websites work very good in Schweinfurt and smaller cities. So you just go on the website, search the city, and there would be houses and apartment listed. Then you can just see which one works for you. Just talk to the owner, and if everything works out, voila, you get the apartment. And there are few WhatsApp groups and Facebook groups that you can join, where students and people just list or write about apartment they are currently living in, or they want a roommate, or they are just listing it for subletting and stuff. So yeah, these are the three ways to get accommodation specifically in Schweinfurt. So one important information that I want to give you guys is, if you are coming for the winter semester, just start looking for the accommodation from this time only, because Schweinfurt is a really small city and there are a lot of students, so eventually all the accommodation get full really quickly. So it's my advice to get accommodation beforehand, before coming to Schweinfurt only. You can come and just look at the apartment once and then finalize and do everything, because one more important thing is there are a lot of scams that happen in Germany related to this accommodation thing, which is like you get a mail, or some apartment is listed, and you go and talk to the owner and stuff, and they say just give us the money, and without looking at the apartment you just pay the rent, thinking there would be apartment, and after you have already paid the rent, you try to contact to the owner, and the owner is fake, or the apartment isn't real. So it's a very important advice that I would give you is, just come see the apartment in person, talk to the owner in person, then only finalize the apartment. Otherwise it's not safe for you guys to just pay the rent. yeah, these two are the most important things that you should consider before finding an apartment. So now when we come to bigger cities like Berlin, Frankfurt, Munich, Hamburg and stuff, there are two other websites that work very good here, which is Housing Anywhere and Wonderflats. These two are really good websites to find accommodation in bigger cities. These don't work perfectly in Schweinfurt because it's a really small city. So when I was in Berlin, I also got the accommodation through Housing Anywhere only. So yep, that's it. All the link of these sites and websites are in the description down below. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to press the like button and do subscribe to my channel below. And I really wish this was a video that would have answered few of your questions related to accommodation. And thanks for watching. Bye guys.